Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics. Read the label for active ingredients and whether this raid is for indoor or outdoor use, because application differs. Put on a barrier like gloves if instructed, and make sure the nearest people and pets are out of the space. Once done, open windows or a door for ventilation and set the can upright. Hold it 18-24 inches from the target area and be ready to act quickly and decisively. You now apply in short, controlled bursts, 1 to 2 seconds, directed at the insects or suspected hiding spots to reduce drift and residue. Aim at window frames, ceiling corners, light fixtures, and baseboards where flying insects rest or enter. Avoid spraying open surfaces like counters. Once you've treated the immediate areas, wait and observe for activity. Make sure to reapply only as label permits, typically after about 24 hours, rather than continuous spraying, to limit chemical exposure. To finish, walk through and remove any remaining attractants like food or standing water. Then ventilate the room for 15 to 30 minutes before re-entry. Make sure the can is capped and stored upright, cool, and out of reach. If insects persist despite correct use, try treating adjacent entry points or use sticky traps to monitor activity. If problems continue, make sure you use the correct product type for the pest and consider a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.